and we'll after 30 minutes we'll have a panel discussion with along with various speakers. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to one and all. First of all, thanks to the entire team of Mahatma Gandhi University, especially Dr. Mohiji and Dr. Nosaki and team. Now, about me, already explained. Now I'm coming to the sustainable future, towards a sustainable future. I'll try to finish before 30 minutes. Because sustainable future subject is not for half an hour, it is for entire life. My planet, my pride. So how the planet was, and how the planet is now, and how the future of this planet is very important subject, and how to protect it. We all are facing different issues around the world, not only in one country. So now, what is the issue that we have to discuss together now? Because the students are the future of this planet. So you need to understand properly, because we have already crossed the 50 now. So some part is important to us, major part is important to you. So first of all, I say how the planet was. You know that there are many pictures in Google or the social media how the planet was. Very beautiful, covered with greenery, covered with lot of microbodies, many microorganisms, the big size animals, aquatic species, beautiful aquatic species and beautiful birds are the. But what happened nowadays is a big question mark. Who is responsible for that? It's also a big question mark. So I'll take you see how the earth was. All the pictures after this is not taken from any Google or any social media. All the pictures I'm going to share with you is taken from my own mobile and from my created own forest only. All the biodiversity pictures are taken from the forest which is created by us last 15 years, 2011 to till today. We have already completed 132 forests, almost 32 lakh plus trees planted across 12 states of India. The biggest one is in Kutch, called Smriti One. So the pure air, pure water, and surrounded with greeneries. What we have done is, wherever the lush green forest and good water bodies available, we started living there, and then we started demolishing that particular area and creating a house or industry. Urbanization and industrialization last from 100 to 150 years. Demolition in a large scale of environment. Maybe air pollution, maybe water pollution, maybe deforestation. But we cut as it is the barren lands. There are many mountains and hills barren, many places where barren. We are not living there. We are living where everything is around. This is the scenario what we can see. One side there is industry along with residential homes, and you can see what is very close to that. That is not falling from the heaven. That is not sent by the God or the Creator. That is created by us. So we have to be, the students need to think about it. Now you can see the picture here. That is a drawing done by one of the students who is visited to my forest. She created that picture by drawing. Okay? And second, you can see a dolphin right on the seashore. I say, what is the mistake of that dolphin? It is living in the ocean like us. And the creator is created that species also, like us. The creator is created us also. And the full power of living that habit. Not only the human beings, but what we are thinking is, we humans think we are the master of this planet. Not at all. We experience the corona. We are not the masters of this planet. Now you can see every year we see 5 to 6 dolphins coming on the seashore. Like this. The reason behind this, non-treated chemical water is directly discharging to the sea. That's where this is happening. I'm not mentioning any small fishes. There are crores of small fishes dying every day. Now you can see using chemicals in agriculture sector in large scale is killing of chain death of biodiversity from the small insects to big size animals. And they are the part of this planet. They have some duties. The small ant is also having some duty. Before rain, 15 days of starting the rain, they make the hole in the earth to retain the rainwater. They never ask for salary, they never ask for any appreciation, they never ask for any partnership or something. But they work 24 into 7 and 365 days. Even the earthworm, and there are many insects working in the soil and above the soil. They are working 24 into 7 for the human beings. But what we are doing is, we are using large scale chemicals in large scale agriculture sectors. The impact is, we can see the polluted air, polluted water, polluted soil. So what we face is, now Wayanad is already faced, Shirur, then Uttarakhand, the Bengal, then Punjab also you have seen. Every day morning if you start the TV, you can see only Jalapradaya, tsunami, Bhutto. See, how can we change it? I'm taking you very fast because you have more sessions and already passed many hours in the morning. You can see on the left side, this is created by us. We create pond also along with the ponds. You can see how the barren land is converted into a deep pond. Now, crores of rainwater is retaining over there. This is made in the highly polluted area like Bharuch. You know about Bharuch, Ankleshwar. There is one market called the village. 6,000 plus people are living in that village. Ram Panchayat, we did this pond. After creating this pond, the entire village is getting a good clean water for the agriculture sector as well as for the drinking purpose. This is the rainwater drinking water. Now I am coming to a responsible, profitable and sustainable future. We always say about sustainable future. But for sustainable, we need profitable and responsible is very important. Responsibility is very important part. That only we can have the sustainability. So we are taking a small kid, only 7-month-old kid, is involved in a plantation, sitting in a soil. This is a real picture while planting trees. We involve small nursery kids also in plantation across the country because I say they are the future of this planet. Now, see, natural solution. What I said earlier, creating an urban forest and water body in a barren land. Because for the balancing of the earth, one side where everything is available, we started living there. On another side, nothing is there, then we are creating. This is a created forest. You can search in Google. Forest by the sea, Nargo. It is the seashore, back to the forest, there is a sea. Long bed seashore. 1,20,000 tree plantation along with the water body, it's a canal. and a lush green forest with almost 93 variety of native species and indigenous species. Now, if you go there, it is almost 4 years old project. If you go there, you can see thousands of birds and honeybee, along with many kind of colorful insects, microorganisms. Along with inside the pond, you can see tortoise also, along with many fishes and kind of species. This is a change what we can see after creating. See, this is the Kutch Bhuj world's biggest Miyawaki forest. Created, started in 2021. 5 lakh plus tree plantation already done. And you can see the before picture, how it was with the 50 check dams, now having crores of liters of water in check dams. Not only that, bird watchers are now coming to take the pictures of the birds. Thousands of birds already arrived. Gujarat Ecology Commission is identified 79 species of bird started living in that forest within 4 years. This is a change what we can see is a lush green forest, lumps of bush. Now, thousands of people visiting every day 1,500 plus football from across the world. This is a beautiful place with Asia's largest digital museum, along with 8 kilometers of walkway, 50 checkpoints, sunrise point and sunset point is there. You can visit anytime whenever you are free. See, this is the urban dump converted into forest in Mumbai. Okay, this is the sustainable development. Instead of creating ornamental gardens, we created a forest. You can see only 1.5 year old forest how it looks. It's a lush green forest. Creating a greener energy, what we can say, sustainable future, and absorbing carbon dioxide, getting more oxygen along with reducing temperatures. In many of our forests, if you go there, you can see in summer season 8 to 10 degree temperature down. Now that is the change, the magic you can see in our forest. Yes. Now we can see how we can involve the students, education and awareness inside the created forest. Environmental education from nursery level. Each school can adopt in Miyawaki forest. Now the name is changed to Bharat Tovar because I made many changes in Miyawaki forest according to the Indian geological condition and the atmosphere and the soil condition. I made many changes in that. So it is now called Bharat Tovar. In Kerala, it is Bharatavanam. So it is a good project. We are now having in Chhattisgarh, 1,10,000 tree plantation in Bharatwas. And back in Chikaballapur, we are having one more project now running. That is also Bharatwan. So you can see how the students are visiting to the forest and taking natural study from inside the forest, identifying the saplings, identifying the leaf-related biodiversity, stem-related biodiversity, flower-related biodiversity, fruit-related biodiversity, soil-related biodiversity, and the aquatic species. They are unable to think or check or study in a book in this time. They are from nursery to 4th standard or 5th standard or 8th standard. If they are going to the agriculture sector or forestry department, then once they can have a study after 12th standard. What we are doing is we are giving them the study from the beginning, from the nursery. Yeah, you do all the study naturally in from each and every school from across the country. Wherever the forest is developed, there we take the student. They enjoy along with the forest, taking 1.5 hours, 2 hours, traveling across the forest area. We made a big walkway also, and walkway to walk inside the forest. See, now we are coming again to the sustainable future. So, I'm so much worried about the future of this planet because all the students, the next generation. Okay, now today morning we are having a session of 3-day session of towards the sustainable future. But all the students today morning in breakfast had tea in this cup. No one is reading. Maybe the catering person is giving in this, but he is not responsible for that, or the organizers are not responsible. We are responsible, we are not going to make. I'm the only person may take reusable cup. Please don't take in this. Please don't use this. This is not good for your health. This is not good for the environment. This is not good for the water body, the aquatic species, and the soil. You have to stop it from today. If you check my bag, wherever I'm traveling across the world, in my bag you can see a steel glass, reusable one for drinking water. You can see a small plate for having a food in the cafe. They are not giving it reusable. Please use reusable and recyclable. Please stop using this. Please, please, please. Then only we can change, because what we are saying is always a sustainable future. That we must be responsible one also. Then only we can change the future. Or else it is negative. Now I am taking you to these pictures. I said all the pictures I have taken from my mobile or from my iPad, and only the biodiversity development in my created forest, not from other forests. You can see all the pictures, the birds, the small insects, even rabbit, you can see eggs, you can see. Even Indian star tortoise also arrived in Kutch, which is Prathivan. Honorable PM is appreciated for this thing. You can see the eggs of peacock, you can see honeybee. All these, whenever you visit to our forest, you can see many things out there. Here also, you can see the flower related biodiversity. Upbringing the bird, you can see how these things are developed in our forest. We have created just a forest. We just planted a tree. We never sent any email or Gmail or WhatsApp message to any biodiversity to come there and live there. Everything is then created by the Creator. Not by the Creator. That is the magic of our planet. Because there is no chemical use. We use, for the plantation, we use only organic mail, and after that, watering up to 3 years. After that, no watering required, because the forest is growing almost up to 30 feet high. So, no, it is sustainable. You will get water from there. No need to add water there. Finally, I said I'm not taking so much time because more sessions are there. So, environment is a different subject. Sustainable future is a different subject. You must have these things in your mind. Before that, you have to understand who is created this. Who is the creator? The creator, how created all these things? From where creator got this much colors? With the feathers and the fishes, if you see, there are colorful fishes, colorful flowers, and colorful birds. 365 days in sunlight or in rain or in winter, the color is not disappearing. We have a good technology, and then we prepare some clothes with many colors. But after 2 or 3 wash or 3 years, the color is disappearing. But you cannot see any birds' feathers color is disappearing. So the beautiful place, the beautiful things created by the Creator, please protect it. The young generation, you must have this message always in your heart. And this is not for today. Create environment day every second, not for 1 day in the year you will pick trees. And plant trees, if not able to plant trees, love the plant who is planted by someone else, and communicate with the plant security. You can talk to the plants. Already the meditation scene is sitting here. She may be knowing about that. I communicate with the plants always. I train many students for them, and they always send us a message. After communicating with the plant, the health is improved, and the body language also improved. If you love them, they love you. Thank you so much. Thank you both. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. K Nair, and it was an eye opener from the practical hands. Thank you very much. Wonderful.
We now have the honor of presenting a token of appreciation to Dr. K Nair. I request Professor K Nair, Chair of the session, to kindly present